Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, getting highlighted basically. And if you want to exit the quick panel, press the side button to go back to watch face. If you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode icon. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then you can swipe up or press the side button to close the quick panel. Another way to turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode is to do it through the settings. So if we wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called Do Not Disturb mode. Come on, stop in the middle. Okay, here we have it. Tap on it, and here we have Do Not Disturb and Do Not Disturb mode timer, or time period. The first option basically turns on the Do Not Disturb mode and keeps it on until you turn it off. You can tap on the box to turn it on or off, and the second option allows you to make a schedule for it. Basically, it will turn on at specific time and turn off at specific time. To turn it on, tap on the box to check it in. Then to set the time, tap on the arrow right here on the right side, and now we can set the start time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and you can swipe on hours and minutes to set them. Okay, next we have the end time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off. I'm gonna set it to something like 7:30. This is a bit annoying that it goes one by one, but okay, we have a 7:30, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And of course, if you want to turn it off, you can tap on the box next to the schedule option to basically disable it if you want to. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.